The Hacksmith reviews the professional 6-in-1 motorized jigsaw grinder driller metal lathe wood lathe thingy. So on a whim, I ordered this mini machine shop from China. I'm not expecting too much, but it's a pretty cool little concept. You can basically build your own miniaturized machine shop, complete with lathe, mill, drill press, grinder, sander, jigsaw, all from this little kit. It's something I definitely wish I had when I was young, but let's see if it's actually useful. So the entire thing is assembled using aluminum extrusion and T-slot nuts and bolts. This is pretty handy because it means the whole thing is modular and you can basically build whatever style machine you want using the components they have. One of my favorite configurations of the machine is the lathe because this actually works. I don't think it'll be able to do metal. It might be able to do aluminum or brass if you go very slowly, but this is actually a fully functional miniature lathe. So I can definitely see this being handy in the future. Next up is probably the most useful configuration, a vertical milling machine. Now again, I really don't think you could do metal with this, but wood and plastic definitely works great, and I can definitely see this being useful for touching up any 3D printed parts I might have, so I'm sure you're going to see me using this in some of my future videos. Now apparently there's a metal version of this mill too, which has metal sliding XY vices, which means you might actually be able to use that one for metal. That being said, I will try machining aluminum and let you guys know if it works. Now there is the jigsaw attachment, but I'm not expecting too much from this. You'd probably be better off getting a real scroll saw, but let's see how it does. It actually works surprisingly well for thin wood, so depending on the project you're working on, definitely useful. Another cool function of this is the grinding wheel. This allows you to actually make your own tools for the lathe. The kit even comes with a few blank pieces of tool steel to grind your own tools. Finally, it also has a sanding wheel, which is quite useful. You can also take the motor and gearbox off and use either the grinding wheel or sanding wheel as a handheld unit, which can also be useful. All in all, it's a really cool tool. I want to call it a toy, but you know what? It really does work. I think it was well worth the money I paid, just don't expect the same results from real machines. The kit comes with everything you need, including many different collets, so you can use your own Dremel bits, drills, whatever you want. And it also has various tools for assembling it, and a fairly decent instruction manual. So if you need something for little projects, I would actually recommend this. I'm still saving my pennies for a full-size CNC mill, but in the meantime, this will have to do. If you enjoyed this video, perhaps you'd like my other videos.